Assalamu guys, Ifan back again with another video, and in this video what we will be doing is we will be discussing the rank function. Okay, now basically what a rank function is, it gives you the rank of a number in a list of numbers. So if you have a list of numbers, the rank number is going to give you the ranking of a particular number in that list of numbers. Okay, so the rank of a number is basically its value relative to other values in that list. So basically, if you were to sort that list, the rank would be the rank of the number would be its position, either from the top or from the bottom. Okay, depending whether you're using it in ascending and descending order. So that's the topic for today's video. It's the rank function. So let's get started. So first, what I'll do is I'll just put in a list of numbers here. Okay, so this is a list of numbers and we want to rank number 4. Okay, now the ranking, like I said, the ranking can be done either in descending, assuming that list is sorted either in the ascending or in descending order. The default is it would be sorted in the descending order. Okay, meaning the highest number at the top and the smallest number at the bottom. Okay, so if you have this list, if you're doing by descending order, oops, sorry. Okay, so it will assume that it's called, this is how the numbers would be labeled, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and if I were to manually do the ranking, that would be the rank. So number 4 would be at the second rank. Okay, so let's see if rank function actually gives us that or not. Rank, and as soon as I type rank, it gives me 3 options. Excel suggests you what functions to use: rank average, rank average, rank sequence, and rank just rank. So right now what we'll do is we just use this one, and towards the end we'll also discuss these two. And what says number, which number you're ranking. I'm ranking number 4 here, comma, reference, that's basically the list of numbers that you want it to be ranked from, and then asks you for the order. The order is optional. If you do not give the order, it assumes the numbers are in descending order. So I close bracket. I'm just going to assume it is in descending order, like here, and I should get rank of 2. Okay, that's what I got, because it's assuming that this is in descending order. Okay, so basically what we would assume is 5 is number 1, 4 is number 2, and that's why from the top, that is why it's number 2. Now if I were to rank number 3, because they are odd number of odd numbers, number of numbers in the list, it doesn't matter, 3 is always going to be the middle number. So that whether you're doing it ascending or descending, it doesn't matter. So let's see what the rank of number 3 is. And it should give you 3, because from the bottom, if it's descending order, so this is number 1, this is number 2, and that's number 3. So you got a rank of 3. Similarly, if you do 2, let's do 2 also. And that should give you a 4. I'm sorry. Okay, that's because number 2 from the top, if this was sorted in descending order, like here, 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 2 is ranked number 4. Okay, now there's a trick. Supposing, what if there were 2 4s? Okay, what happens then? That would basically be assuming that let me move this list down, and there's another 4 here, and that's also in yellow. Okay, just gonna get rid of this and also remove the colors. Okay, now it is assuming, let's get rid of this also. Now if I were to rank number 4, it would still come out as 2. That's because it's assuming the list is in descending order. So 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the first occurrence of 4 is at the second place. Okay. Now this logically would be third place, and this would be the fourth place. But this is equal to this. These two share the second rank. Okay. But Excel is going to count that because it knows that number 3 is in the fourth place now. So if I would, let me put this in yellow, so we know this is for the number 4. And now we are going to do blue, which is 3. Now if I were to do number 3, see what happens. First rank, second rank, but twice, so that basically kind of sort of like a third, and this is the fourth. So this will give you 4. Okay. So it remembers if there was multiple entries. So it counts multiple entries, but each multiple entry is given the same rank, but the value, the unique value that follows the multiple ones, that's going to be rank 1 higher. Just to keep in account for all the multiple similar values that you have. Okay. So that's basically how ranking is done when you are assuming numbers are in descending order. Now let's assume the numbers are in ascending order, which this is. Okay, and we are going to do we are doing ranking for number 4. Okay, so now in the descending order, this was descending, this is ascending order. The numbers get bigger as you go down. So number 4 is at the 4th place. So rank for 4 in this case should be 4. Okay, let me highlight this. But this time I'm going to use the extra parameter for sorting, whether it's ascending or descending. So put a comma, and this time I will select ascending. Put a 1 and close bracket, hit enter, and I should get a 4. That's because now it's assuming the list is in this order. So 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Okay. Now number 3 would still be ranked number 3. And I'm just going to highlight this list, hit enter, and I will still get 3 because that is the middle number out of this 5, because you only got 5 numbers, so that's the middle number, so that's going to stay 3 as here. Okay. Now number 2 was ranked, 2 over here. Let's see what 2 is ranked over here. It's ranked as number 4. Okay. Now, if I were to, I'm sorry, hang on, number 1 should be give us 2. There you go. Now, let's see why this is giving us. We've got 2 over here. So if you see, this is in ascending order, this is in descending order, because it's assumed the order, this is the order. So 2 is number 4 here, but here it is number 2. So if I see the ranking of this, let's do a rank here also. You get a 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth place. Over here, it's the second place. 4 was number 2, 4 is number 4 here. Because now the order has changed from ascending to descending and descending to ascending. Okay. Now that's how you would use the rank function to rank numbers in a range. Okay. Now that was just simple rank. There's another type of rank called the rank average. What that does is, let me show you. Let's do it over here. Rank average. The number that we are ranking is number 4. And this is the list. Now what it's going to do is, here, because this is in descending order, the first occurrence of 4 is in second place. The third place is also number 4. So what the rank average does is, it assumes this is the first rank, second rank, and third rank. So this, since these two are the same, it's going to take the average of these two ranks. Instead of second and third, it's going to make it 2.5. Because it says, well, this is not really fair that you give this, number 2, because there's another number down here which is the same. So it's not exactly the second number, but it's not exactly the third number. So it's somewhere in the middle. The ranking should be somewhere in the middle. So that's how the rank average works. Okay. Now let's see how the rank, if I click here, excuse me, returns a rank of a number in a list of numbers, its size relative to other numbers values in the list. If more than one number value has the same rank, the top rank of that set of values returned. Okay. So that means the first entry. Okay. So let's do this. And we are doing number 4, comma, that's the list. Enter. It's at number 2. Because that's the first entry. Now, if I were to change that to, excuse me, instead of this 4, let's give it this 4. Does it make a difference? No, it doesn't. Because still, it's assuming it's in order. Okay. So that's essentially how you use the rank function. Just to recap, rank function gives you the ranking of a number in a list of numbers. Okay. Now, if you have a list of numbers, the rank of a number is its value relative to other numbers in that list. And if you specify descending, the ranking is going to change. If you set it as ascending using that third parameter, the value is obviously going to change. Now, because it's going to assume the list is either sorted in descending or in ascending order. If you do not use that parameter, it will assume that the list is sorted in descending order. If you want it in ascending order, then you have to use the final parameter, give it a 1, and then it will, the Excel will assume that the list is sorted, and then it will assign you the rank for that particular number. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, please kindly subscribe and please hit that bell icon. So YouTube will always send you notifications when new videos are uploaded. And if you have any feedback regarding this video or other videos, please use the comment section down below to give your feedback. Thank you.